Welcome to our latest video on Amazon FBA Wholesale. In this video, we will be providing an overview of how Amazon FBA Wholesale works and how you can use it to grow your business. This is Alamin from Gliztech. Let's have a look at the following requirements for a wholesale business. Minimum $3,000 investment, company formation, create a website, get reseller certificate, Amazon seller account, brand approval, product analysis, planning for FBA shipment, great reviews. By using Amazon FBA Wholesale, you can take advantage of Amazon's fulfillment network, which includes fast and reliable shipping, customer service, and returns management. To get started with Amazon FBA Wholesale, you will need to sign up for an Amazon Professional Seller account. Then you will need to find a supplier who is willing to work with you and sell your products at a wholesale price. You will also need to make sure that the products are compatible with Amazon's FBA program and that you comply with Amazon's policies and guidelines. Once you have found a supplier and products that you want to sell, you will need to create a listing for each product on Amazon. This will include providing detailed product information, pricing, and images. Amazon FBA Wholesale can be a great way to grow your business and increase your sales on Amazon. If you found this video valuable, please like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. If you have any question, feedback, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you at the next video.